Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I did a full-length video, but I thought today was the day. I have time today, so I thought I would do one. So today we're doing a review. Yeah, so today we're just gonna review the NYX primer, the fairly new NYX primer. I know it's been out for a couple of months now, but I thought we would try it because basically this is what it looks like. It's called the Face Glue by NYX. It's a gripping primer. Yeah, I was just intrigued. I need a new primer and I was like, you know what, let's try this one. It wasn't too expensive also at the drugstore, so I was like, you know what, let's do it. So in this video, like I said, we're just gonna do a review. It's really just going to be a first impressions. I just want to see if the claims are true or not. I'm not doing a wear test today. I don't really have the time to. It's pretty kind of late already in the day, so I thought we would just do like a first impression. I'll leave a comment down below like I always do to let you guys know how it went throughout the day. So let's go about the claims. I have them written down because there are a lot of claims. So what are the claims? So it's up to 24-hour hydrating grip, polyglutamic acid for hydration. They have maple syrup for the gripping. It's transparent, so it's supposed to leave no white cast, lightweight, breathable, comfy, all-day wear, soft, focus finish, and no sticky feel. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, like there's like a 24-hour grip hydration. I don't know. Like I wouldn't know. I'm not gonna wear my makeup for 24 hours. You know how it is with me. We're not gonna do that. But I'll see if it's hydrating. We'll see how it goes. So what's going on with my skin right now? My skin is, like always, like I'm mostly oily in the T-zone, and then I have my dry patches that are coming from my eczema. I have one big one here that will never go away, I feel like, and I have this one that always comes back during the winter, and my eyelids. And yeah, this is what we're working with today. So let's just start. I'm gonna do one side and show you like the difference to see if it has a bit of a glow, how hydrating it is. Right now, all I have on my skin is moisturizer, the L'Oréal Sensitive Riche. I have to. So this is the product I have on my face. It's hydrating. It also helps with my eczema, like it soothes the itchiness. We're just gonna use this as a primer on top. So it comes like this. It basically comes in a package that's like a glue that you used to have as kids. So I'm just gonna do this side first, and you guys can see the difference. I don't really know how much to put. So we're just gonna start with this, and I'm just gonna blend it. It has no smell whatsoever, like nothing. It's more liquidy than what I would have thought from this product. It really goes in like really nicely. You guys see, it's already like in my skin. So yeah, first impressions, you can see this is my skin here. So you can tell there's more of a glow on this side because of the product that I just put in, the primer, compared to this side here. You can probably see it better on my cheek here and here, how there's like a nice glow. So it's more liquid than what I would have thought. I don't know why, maybe because they say glue, I would think that it's kind of like a bit of a between like sunscreen and a paste. I don't know what I was thinking, but this is what I thought it was gonna be. But it absorbed like really quickly, and it is gripping. It is gripping, but not that much, honestly. I can tell that like there's a grip, but it's not excessive, which honestly, personally, I do like. I feel like sometimes when it's too gripping, when you're about to put your foundation, it's harder to blend and to move the product around. So if it's just a bit gripping like this one, I really like. Like you can see, there's no white cast. It's also lightweight. I don't feel like anything. I feel like I just put moisturizer on my skin, and it's really breathable, lightweight, and basically all they're saying right now is true. So let's just do the other side. I will say right away that like I really like the way it blends into the skin. This one is really lightweight and really like a nice consistency. I really like it so far. It's still gripping. I will say this side is a bit less gripping than it was because this one is like fresh. So Anyways, that's all I have to say right now. What I'm gonna do is finish my makeup and then we'll go back into the claims and see what are my thoughts about the product. Okay guys, so I'm done with my makeup. This is what it looked like up close. You guys can see my face looks pretty matte. It's like all pretty well done. One thing I will say, like, I can only talk about how it feels on the skin. Right now it feels really comfortable. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup. The primer by itself was already like, I didn't feel like anything, but putting the makeup on top, it's the same thing. So really hydrating, really easy to use. Also, like you guys saw in the beginning when I was just blending it in to my skin, it was just almost like a lotion, even more liquidy than a lotion. It really just absorbed really quickly. I really like that. There was no white cast. It was transparent. It left a bit of a glow, but not too much, to the point where you guys know I'm oily, where I would feel like I would need extra powder just to make sure that like I'm modified on my T-zone. It's really nice. It's gripping, not too gripping, I would say. It's pretty medium grip, I would say, compared to like other gripping primers that I've tried before. Definitely don't wait too long in between like putting the primer and putting a foundation, because it will lose some of its grip. You guys saw I do one side of my face. By the time I was doing the other side, I had lost a bit of the gripping effect. But I love how it's not too gripping, because when I did put my foundation on top, I did use the Maybelline Skin Tint today, but sometimes when it's too gripping, I feel like you have to blend your foundation a bit more because it's gripping the foundation a bit too much. And also it didn't have a scent at all. Like, it doesn't smell like anything. There's no scent to it. And you guys see, like, look how well my skin does look. I mean, I don't have perfect skin. Okay, I do have blemishes and a bit of texture lately because of my eczema, because I have dry skin, because I'm having pimples, just the regular stuff. But I just want to guys let you know that like it's pretty soft. Everything looks soft on top of my primer. So I will say, if you're looking for a nice Drugstore primer, I would say definitely give it a try. Yeah, it looks good. I'm really happy. We'll see how it goes throughout the day, even if I'm not doing a wear test. I will leave a comment down below so you guys know what's going on with my face. If I feel like I need to go on camera, I will come on camera and show you how my skin is doing. So yeah, I would just say give it a try. Whatever they're claiming so far is true. So thank you so much everybody who's been tuning into my videos. I know I've been doing a lot of shorts lately, but that's really what I can film right now, so I just don't want to like sit back on my content, so I'm just doing that instead of like full-length videos like this one. But I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I hope you guys are enjoying my channel. I will see you soon. And yeah, that's all I want to say. Just thank you for sticking around. And I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me